Meaning of extension cord.
Extension cord.
Extension cord.
Extension cord.
Extension cord. An extension cord is a flexible electrical cable with a plug on one end and one or more sockets on the other end. It is used to extend the reach of a power source and provide additional outlets where they are needed. Extension cords are commonly used in homes, offices, and outdoor settings to power tools, appliances, and electronic devices. They come in varying lengths and gauges, each with different capacities for safely carrying electrical current. It is important to use extension cords correctly to prevent electrical hazards and ensure proper functioning of the devices connected to them.